everyone, today we're making one of my favorite Japanese comfort meals, sukiyaki. It's a sweet, savory, one-pot feast that's absolutely perfect for a cozy night. Let's get into it. First, we have to get the rice started. We're going to give it a good wash to get rid of the excess starch, then drain it thoroughly. I'm measuring out exactly what we need, adding it to the pot, and then we just hit start, and let the rice cooker handle the rest. While that cooks, let's prep the hearty components. I'm cleaning these shirataki noodles, which are amazing for absorbing all that sauce, and giving them a quick trim. Then we'll slice up some firm tofu and these carrots. Here is our full lineup of fresh, uncooked ingredients. We've got our shirataki and thick udon noodles, the tofu, carrots, earthy shiitake mushrooms, and some fresh bok choy. Now we're bringing out the donabe. The clay pot is traditional for stovetop cooking because it holds heat so well. We'll pour in our sukiyaki sauce, that's the soul of the dish, and let it start to simmer. Lifting the lid to see everything bubbling away is the best part. You can see the sauce caramelizing everything inside. Our rice is perfectly fluffy, so I'll scoop a bowl of that. And now for the most important step, cracking a fresh egg into a small bowl. In Japan, it's traditional to dip the hot meat and vegetables directly into the raw egg. It creates a silky, creamy coating that balances the salty sweet sauce perfectly. With the rice, the egg, and the sukiyaki all together, we're ready to eat. There's nothing like a fresh bowl of sukiyaki. Thanks for hanging out and cooking with me today. Hope you give this traditional sukiyaki a try.